Hello again, YouTube. Today we're going to change the hazard button on my Mercedes 212 for this version that has the drifting enable button, actually ESPoff button, but yeah, drifting enable. And you just need to take off the part of the dash so you can get to the button. The dash is very easy. There's a locking clip here, another one there, and then there's here and here about are sheet metal locking clips that hold it in place, and this part is just held with those clips, and you use a hook like this to pull from here. There's a little notch there that you can pull with the hook, and same on this. When you release the clips, you just pull with the hook, then pull from the other side with the hook, and the whole front of the dash comes off. And then you just need to remove this by pressing these little tabs and taking the wire off. It's too difficult to film at the same time and putting the button back, but you'll get the idea. The button goes here, and there are the locking tabs. You just put a flat head screwdriver there while pushing the button in, and it'll release. Then take off the wire and it's done. And then put it back in reverse order. And here are the supporting tabs for the sheet metal clips that you open the glove box and look underside. You can see here and here. You just pull the clips out and they don't come out completely. They just move something like 10 millimeters and they're off. And then there's a tab here. You need to insert your screwdriver and bend it so the tab comes off. But yeah, very easy to take off. There are plenty of videos on YouTube on that, so I'm not going to cover that so much. But I'm going to cover the coding you need to do for this on Vediamo, and we'll get back to that when I get this back into the car. And I'll see you back in the car. So, back in the car, button is there. We have diagnostics running, and we got ESP212 selected. We go to coding, VCT configuration, and we take ESP taster and combi instrument. So that's the ESP function is in the cluster, and we put this to 9, so no, and we go to echo coding. We press OK and yes. I already done this, so it shows here ESP taster in combi instruments, it's 9. So now we have done that. We close this, and then we go let me see where I find routine. Oh. Session. I need to find the reset echo, or I can just let's see. Okay, it's too difficult to find here, so we do it the old-fashioned way. We exit echo and we exit echo woth, and now we should have the ESP off. So oh yeah, now we have the button for the ESP off. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, put them down below and we'll do something else next time. Bye.